I hope everyone is fired up for a great day 2 of the DevOps Enterprise Summit. Just a quick update from yesterday's virtual happy hour and running around and gather. I am happy to report no donuts, lots of croissants. Everyone was open and making space for new people and new conversations. Not a lot of time for opening remarks this morning since we used all the time to bring you even more amazing programming. So, check out the Summit info channel in Slack for all the things you need to know to start the day. If you're not in Slack yet, you definitely need to do that. That's where a lot of the action is happening with announcements and interactions with speakers, sponsors, and other attendees. And just to keep you oriented to all the things, the top level menu for the event, right up there, is your friend. Watch the talks, visit sponsors in the virtual expo hall, see the schedule, discover networking opportunities, get into our virtual space and gather, play games and win stuff, and dig into the video library with all the talks from previous summits. There's a lot to see, do, and learn. With that, get ready for a fantastic day 2. Gene, let me hand it back to you to introduce today's first talk.